Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Today we are going to spell another set of words. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's spell the word tiger. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word lion. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word elephant. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word butterfly. Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word horse. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word frog. Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word rabbit. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word turtle. Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word giraffe. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word snake. Snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word chicken. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word fish. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Your turn to spell, children. Great job, children! Now, let's have a short quiz. Are you ready? Let's start. Children, can you spell the word tiger? Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Children, can you spell the word elephant? Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Children, can you spell the word horse? Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Children, can you spell the word frog? Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Children, can you spell the word turtle? Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. Children, can you spell the word chicken? Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Children, can you spell the word butterfly? Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. Children, did you spell all the words correctly? Great job! If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.